ugly location for ugly bike. Hello everyone, in today's video we are diving into the world of bicycles with a unique perspective. I aim to provide an honest and objective review as we dissect the Polar Masina Sierra bicycle. What a name, right? It might not ring any bells, and that's exactly why we will refer to it as the name No Name bike throughout this review. The insight we uncover apply to countless no-name bikes out there. But first, let's rewind 1.5 years back when my daughter expressed her desire for a bicycle. At that time I was clueless about bicycles and simply walked into the nearest store to make a purchase. I knew next to nothing about bikes. Ironically, this very event sparked me journey into the world of bicycles. We made our purchase based on a simple principle. Do you like this one? Yes. The cost? 229 euros. Keep that figure in mind as we progress through the review. The outcome? Well, my daughter hardly rides this bike, so today we aim to unravel why. So what's under the hood? The Polar Masina Sierra is crafted from high-ten steel, promising rust resistance, which is the plus. The weight of this bike over 16 kilos. To be exact, 16.7 kilos. So it's really heavy, and it's designed for teenage girls. V-brakes at the front and rear, an external cable routing, that's a typical for steel bikes. Handlebar, pretty standard, especially for kids. Now let's talk gears. Up front, there is a triple chainring with 48, 38 and 28. And at the rear a 6-speed cassette ranging from 14 to 28. The Key MC Z50 chain stands out and perhaps the most valuable component. Shifting gears involves twisting the shifter left to the front, right to the rear. Notice the Shimano branding. It seems like a well-kept secret. Not all Shimano is created equal. There is a stand, but it's nearly impossible for a child to use. Now the testy right. Attempting to shift gears yield no results. They simply don't work. How is a child supposed to handle these? These bicycles has barely covered 100 kilometers, visiting the service center twice for gearing adjustment. I won't even delve into the strange sounds it makes during riding. The aluminum rims hold ponily 26 by 2.1 tires. They're really wide. Ever heard of them? There are already showing cracks and the treat isn't the prettiest. The saddle offers a soft ride with an almost upright riding position. However, the saddle is already showing a bit cracks, despite being stored under a protective tent and never exposed to direct sunlight. The bell is an upgrade, at least there is something positive. A closer look at the assembly reveals a protruding screw, a minor but noticeable issue. There is the attitude of engineers towards this invention. On the bright side, the frame's welding appears satisfactorily. In summary, it's a disappointment, plain and simple. producing such bicycles in the 21st century is perplexing. My message isn't dedicated at cycling enthusiasts, but everyday people planning to buy a bicycle. Through this example, I demonstrated how 229 euros can be wasted, leaving your child disinterested in cycling. Avoid no-name brands. Invest in a reputable, internationally recognized brand. I found a superior option for 250 euros. Consider a quality bicycle. If budget constraints are an issue, explore the used bicycle market. I have a video on how to choose a used bike that serves as a straightforward guide, offering a much better choice for a satisfying cycling experience. I hold no intention to disparage the bicycle manufacturer. As long as people buy such bicycles, they will continue to produce them. That's a logical cycle. I have certainly learned my lesson. Put in the effort and research your purchases if you desire quality. Now I'm almost embarrassed to offer this scrap of metal for sale. However, I'm eagerly anticipating your thumbs up, subscriptions and comments. Join me for the next videos.